The 2018 Nissan Frontier. The Nissan Frontier offers a full-length, fully boxed frame for strength, serious off-road capabilities, and a 5-star rating for side impact crash safety. The Frontier's interior comforts include cab versatility, under-seat storage, and seating for 5. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, anti-lock braking system, keyless entry, backup camera, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, 4-wheel disc brakes, aluminum wheels, AM/FM stereo radio, CD player, MP3 player, bucket seats, power door locks, power windows, child safety locks. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.